A1, the only one.
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 Good thing about A1 is affordable siya and talagang halos lahat ng mga gym goers is capable dito na magkaroon ng isang A1 protein. Then, siya yung top 1 na trusted brand dito sa Philippines.
Ang gustuhan ko sa A1 is sobrang quality niya. Lalong-lalo na yung isolate. So, yun yung choice protein ko kasi tulad ko na athlete, pasok na pasok siya sa macros ko.
Best tasting protein ngayon sa market. Hindi lang whey protein, so meron din tayong creatine, EAA, pre-workout, and also affordability. So from students hanggang sa mga working people, kayang-kayang i-afford.
Open na po kami starting today, December 16, 2023, from 9 a.m. up to 6 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Hi guys, I'm Justin, owner of A1 Protein. You can now visit our newest branch, A1 Protein, Imus Cavite, in front of City Mall.
A1, the only one.